You walk out of a meeting thinking you've got everything covered, and then later someone says, "Wait, weren't you doing that?" And suddenly, tasks start slipping through the cracks. This happens all the time in team meetings. People mention tasks casually, responsibilities shift mid-conversation, and you're trying to listen, respond, and take notes all at once. It's almost impossible to track everything perfectly. Here's the real problem. Action items don't show up neatly. They're buried inside conversations. One person suggests something, another agrees, someone else volunteers, and if you miss one detail, the whole task becomes unclear later. So you either rely on memory, which fails, or messy notes that don't clearly show who's doing what. And that leads to follow-ups, confusion, and wasted time after every meeting. But here's the twist. Missing tasks isn't about being distracted. It's about using the wrong approach. Most people think they need to pay more attention or take better notes. But action items aren't something you should capture perfectly in real time. They're something you should extract after the meeting. And this is where things change. Instead of trying to catch every task manually, use what's called the action extraction system. Here's how it works. Step 1. During the meeting, capture everything without filtering. Don't try to organize or assign, just get the full conversation down as raw input. Step 2. After the meeting, paste your notes into AI and give a clear instruction. Extract all action items with owners and deadlines. Step 3. Tell it how to format the output. Ask for a checklist so every task is easy to scan and assign. Step 4. Refine once more by saying, flag any missing owners or unclear tasks so nothing gets overlooked. Quick example. Your notes might look like this. Need to update website. Sarah mentioned homepage redesign. Maybe next week. Also budget review pending. John will check numbers. Follow up with client email. Now you paste that in and ask it to extract action items with owners and deadlines. And the output becomes, update website homepage. Owner Sarah, deadline next week. Review budget. Owner John, deadline not specified. Send client follow-up email. Owner not specified. Deadline not specified. And it even flags what's missing so you can fix it immediately. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't need to be better at tracking tasks. You need a system that pulls them out for you. Once you do this, everything changes. No more chasing people, no more drop tasks, and no more confusion after meetings. What used to take multiple follow-ups now takes under 2 minutes, and your team stays aligned without extra effort. So the takeaway is simple. Stop trying to catch action items during meetings. Capture everything, and extract tasks with clarity afterward. Like, subscribe, and if you're missing tasks after meetings, check the description for more.